Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off profile status on PayPal. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. PayPal is a leading online payment platform enabling money transfers and other financial transactions. Users connect their PayPal account with a checking account or credit card or both in order to facilitate their transaction online. Consumers, businesses, and merchants can all use PayPal whether online or in store. PayPal is known for providing its customers with a high degree of transaction security and convenience. So, on my previous video, I've shown you how to create PayPal account, how to manage your PayPal account, and now what if you want to turn off or disable the profile status on your PayPal? It's very simple. First of all, first you have to open your PayPal. You can open your PayPal account on the apps or website. After that, you can just go to settings. You can select on settings. Now you can on your profile there is an option like manage. You can select on that. So here's your profile. Anyone can see and send money to your PayPal username if your profile status is on. So now if you want to turn off, there's an option. There's the toggle. You can just select on the toggle to turn off. When you turn off the profile status, you'll still have your username and link, but you won't be able to use them to get paid. After you're sure you want to turn this off, you can just select on turn off. So now you have turned off the profile status on your PayPal account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off, how to disable profile status on PayPal. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.